If you're experiencing a verification pending status on Public.com, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you navigate the verification process efficiently. Step 1. Check your email. Make sure to check the email associated with your Public.com account for any verification requests or additional information needed. Sometimes, the platform may require further documentation or confirmation. Step 2. Resubmit your documents. If you received an email requesting additional documents, gather the necessary identification and resubmit them through the app. Ensure that the documents are clear and meet the requirements specified by Public.com. Step 3. Clear app cache. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Update the app. Ensure that you are using the latest version of the Public.com app. Check your App Store for any available updates and install them. An outdated app can sometimes cause verification issues. Step 5. Contact customer support. If the issue persists after following the previous steps, reach out to Public.com's customer support. Provide them with your account details and explain the situation for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending issue on Public.com. If problems continue, staying in touch with customer support is your best option for timely resolution.